Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a thick surface command to discuss here. And guys, CATIA lecture 45 is discussed here. And CATIA all 3D commands learn easily, explain all these points deeply and clearly. Okay. Today thick surface 3D command is discussed here, and this point is this 3D command thick surface command is today discussed here. Okay, at first open a CATIA software interface and then use a this is our CATIA software interface and use a thick surface command today discuss here, and this is a thick surface command and use a in CATIA. Okay, and thick surface command use in CATIA. Then at first create a 3D model. Okay, sketch, create a 3D model. Then spline command is use. Okay, this line is drawing here and this. Okay, exit, and some mechanical design and use a wireframe and surface design. Okay, and this is a extrude, and then use a this is very help thick surface command use. Okay, this is a and again mechanical design and part design. Okay, and this is a thick surface is use. Okay, and this this body is stone and this is a change. Okay, and use a thick surface. Then use a at first default value is setting here 1 millimeter. First offset and second offset is increase and decrease. Okay, first is in 1 mm is setting here, increase the value is 10. Then this is a click here, and this body is downward and this body is upward. Okay, and clip, this is a preview is showing here. Okay, thick surface is and second offset is second offset is also increase and decrease. Then preview is showing here, this is downward decrease and this is a upward increase. Okay, and this body is a thick surface is increase and decrease. Okay, and some color is change here. Okay, this part is and this is a thick surface property and going to change a color. This is a blue color is and this face is also change here. This is a pink. Okay, and thick surface is today discuss here, and almost all point is discussed here. And guys, next lecture is coming soon and thick surface is almost complete discuss here, and next lecture is coming soon. Guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.